Hello viewers, it's Prince back again with another video. In this week I'll be making a series of videos which I will show you how to make money easily online through blogging. Blogging is actually simple and it requires little or no knowledge at all to get you going, and also it requires little effort. People are easily confused with websites and a blog, and I would like to strike a couple of differences between a website and a blog. First of all, a blog is structured so that a regular post can be made or a regular update can be made. And a website doesn't have these features. In order to update a content on your website, you need to alter the main code before you can make such changes. But for a blog, you've got everything covered by the blog team or whatever. Also, blog is for free. Blog is actually hosted for free. Your content can be hosted for free, but for a website, you need to get a hosting company which can host your company for lifetime or whatever duration that you want. But for blog, your website is actually hosted for free and it is forever free. So without much ado, let's dive right into the actual video. So first of all, you open your Google Chrome. I'm using Google Chrome because that's my preference. And on your on Google Chrome, you search for blogger.com. You hit enter. So there we go. This is the website, and right now we are going to create a new blog. So we don't have account here. In order to start a blog, so one I had to say earlier is that you need to have a Google account before you can start a blog. So I already created a Google account for this tutorial. So what I'm going to do is sign in. You hit on the sign in and you'll be asked which account you want to use for your blog. So I'm going to use this. And there we go. This is the home page that you need to be asked a couple of questions. So here you're being asked to provide a name, a display name, or which basically means that the name which you display on your blog. So here I'm going to give Brains Toots. Continue with Blogger. Hit continue on Blogger and wait for it to load. Make sure to read all those rules and privacy policy over here, and here you hit on create blog. So there we go. In order to create a blog, this is actually simple. As you've all seen here, you just need a Google account and you're good to go. So here you have been asked the title of the blog, and the title of the blog, I forget to show you a sample of the blog here. So this is actually a blog which I created on my own a couple of weeks ago, and this is how it looks like a normal blog. I shouldn't say this. This is how a blog usually looks like. So there's it. So when you click on this, it has a link which will send you to a different page of the website. So what you're going to provide here is what is going to show on the tabs. So when people search for whatever you put here is what is going to show on the tab. So this is what I provided over there. So here I'm going to put something like homemade ice cream because I like ice cream a lot. So I'm going to put homemade ice cream here, and address. This is basically what people enter into their search bar to go to your website or visit your website. So here I'm going to provide anything. The address must be unique. So here I'm going to type ice cream, and see. You can see that they say this blog address is invalid or not supported because there is a space in between the ice and the cream. So when you delete this, because it's a URL, there shouldn't be any space there, and you can add a custom domain later. So when you actually click on the drop down and say sorry, this blog address is not available, which means it has already been taken or it is not allowed. So what you can do right now is add maybe a digit to it. So let me say 1 and click on it and say okay, it still says it's not available. So let's try a couple more and see if it's going to be accepted. So ice cream in what to put there. In vanilla, ice cream in vanilla. Yeah, you see, they said this blog address is available, so which means when there is a check mark over here, you can use the address that you've typed in. So here we are good to go over here. So here you select a theme, and this is this is actually what you want your website, or you want your blog, sorry, what you want your blog to look like. So here, this is a theme that I used for my blog, and this is how it looks. It has a nav over here, and here we have a main nav over here, and this right here is my content. Yeah, this right here, this space here is purposely for my content, and you have a sidebar which you can display ads over here and all those tabs over here, over whatever you want over here. So I'm gonna go back to this and take a simple theme which we will be using. So we have let's take this one and create a blog. You hit on create a blog and said homemade ice cream created successfully. So there we go, you read all this, and all this are all information which like give you the tips, tricks on how to get your blog going. So here you can see that we have a left sidebar over here, and it said there are no posts, create a new post, and there are just all sections. So that's that. The post actually shows your published posts. Those are all what is going to show over here as your post. So basically we publish nothing, so there's place is empty, or this field is empty. So does that. The stats shows your statistics, basically shows the statistics of your website, the number of viewers you have each day, and it keeps tracks of everything. And this place, like, you can go through, you can play with all those stats, and the audience basically shows where your traffic is from, so that you can drive traffic right into your blog. And this comment shows your published comments on your blog. So you see, you have nothing, so this place is empty. And others. Okay, I'm going to post, and I'm going to go to create a new post. So this is it. When you click on create a new post, it's wait a little and load. So here we go. So this is our working area which we will be working and we can preview. As you can see, there is publish, save, preview. You can save and come back later. You can preview what you are doing, and so you can close. So here I'm going to do a basic thing. So post title. So this post title is something like this. So this is a post that I made. So I'm going to show you what the post title. So this is a post title. So this is a post title. So this is what we want to show on the post title, like transform an image into a website. That's what. So here goes again. Buy ice cream at a cheap price. There we go. So yeah, I'm going to give it a topic, a subheading. So here you select on the normal the tab over here and select subheading, and I'm going to type wow, this ice cream is absolutely incredible. Sorry, absolutely. Let me make it delicious. Delicious. Absolutely. Oh my god. Oh, okay. And also, don't forget, in order to write a good and quality content, you must use Grammarly, which is a free software you can download on the internet. It checks your grammars and all the spellings and quotation marks, all those punctuations. It makes you create a quality content. So I've been using Grammarly as a software in making, like, in creating, writing good blogs. That's what a good blogger should use, I suggest. So this is my subheading. It is actually bold, like in a bold text. You can actually change it to italic, or you can give it an you can italicize your subheading. You can underline that too, and you can see that the changes have been made. If you want it to spread all over your blog from this part to this, you can change it to, you can select all, and go to heading and choose heading. This actually changes nothing, so you go to largest and you see it went all the way through the page. So you can click on preview to see what we've done so far. Sorry, I forgot to save. You have to save, but after a couple of seconds, if you've not saved, Blogger automatically saves what you've done, so that in case there is a disruption in what you're doing, you don't lose all the information. So there is it. Wow, this ice cream is absolutely delicious, as you can see over here. So buy ice cream at a cheap price. There we go. So everything is working perfectly. So now we add a couple of I want to write a couple of sentences. So hi, wait, no, we have to change this. Don't forget to change this to normal before, if you want to write the main body part of it. Sorry, normal. And so hi, my name is Prince, and oh sorry, I have to change all this, change the italicized form. Oh my god, there we go. Oh my god, yeah. So now we are good to go. So hi, my name is Prince, and I am a blogger. I'm sorry. Oh my god. So we can save it over here. You see, it automatically saved it. So we can now go to the preview section of it and refresh our page and see what we have over there. So there we go. We said, hi, my name is Prince and I'm a blogger. So the next thing I'm going to do is save it and close it. So we've not published our blog. It is saved here as a draft, so it is not published here. In the next video, I'll show you how to import videos and images in your blog.